Yeah, so this is the official unboxing here. You have the OSD postcard. There's your QR code so you can download the owner's manual. We've been dying to get our hands on this thing. Looks pretty nice. Woo! Got the accessories box. Got the actual unit right there. Let's see what's included in the box here. It's like a vintage wine bottle. Need my two hands for this. Hold on a sec. All right, now I can pretend like I got this all open with one hand. Okay, so you got yourself here some old school analog RCA cables, stereo mini to RCA, or AC power adapter, UL compliant, or remote. If you decide to do so, use the remote. If you want to put this bad boy in a rack, you got your clips here, or Wi-Fi antennas. All right, and here's the unit itself. Okay, very nice brushed metal finish on the unit here. First impression of the knob, the volume control, very, very, very nicely done. Power button, there it is. So, OSD, you nailed it.